Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair a diamond cut wheel with some pneumatic tool, small compressor. You need a compressor at least 2 horsepower, 150 liters, mainly for the grinder, and obviously your orbital sander. For your spraying, you can use a much smaller compressor, obviously. Just make sure you've got a water trap. So essentially we start with the grinding bit. Coarse, and that's to get rid of most of the meat of the wheel, the damage caused from obviously curb damage or whatever, pothole, etc. We try not to use filler in as many cases as possible, just because it doesn't necessarily give you the greatest finish after spraying. But let's get to work and show you what it's about. As you can see, we basically just grinded with a coarse grinding, it's called a roll-lock disc. Basically took the meat of the damage away, and now we'll go down to a 120 orbital sander, 120 grit, which will obviously eliminate most of the grinding marks. Give it a smoother finish, try shape it. Obviously your grinder takes the wheel a little bit out of shape in certain areas. And then the 120 will reshape it, take out most of the marks, and then we'll go down to a 320 or a 400, obviously for the final finish before prepping to spray. But let's go ahead with the 120. I use our orbital sander, spins at about 25,000 RPM, so quite a bit of power, but it definitely does the job.